Good morning students. Today we are going to learn our chapter, that is unit 3rd, powers of numbers. ठीक है? So in this chapter the first topic is, this is very small chapter, okay? So the main first topic is your base and index notation. So the two words are here important, that is the base and the index. So we will first try to understand the meaning of base and index, and just look at an example. I have taken 100. Okay, I have written one number 100. So can I write 100 as 10 into 10? Yes, I can write 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. So here if I write 10 in this way, okay, so what is this called? 10 to the power 2 or 10 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this 10, the numbers which is written below, that is called the base. So base यहाँ पे क्या है? 10 है, और 2 which is written above, that is called the power और index. उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Index और power. तो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 2. Okay, so we can take any other example. Okay, so if we write here as 1000, so what we can write? 1000, 10 into 10 into 10. Yes, so what will be the, in terms of base and index if I write, so 10 to the power 3. So this 10 is the base and this 3 is the power. Okay, so this is called the base and index or base or power. Okay, so 10 is the base and 3 is the index or power. Okay, and one thing which is noticeable here, that any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 होती है तो वो नंबर हमेशा 1 के इक्वल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट 2 to the power 0, so that will be equals to 1. If I write 10 to the power 0, so that will be equals to 1. If I write 1000 to the power 0, that will be also equals to 1. So any number raised to the power 0 is always equals to 1. So this is the note, or this is the note which is very important to remember. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is application of bases and index notation, where we use this base and notation concept. So I have taken here an example, like here the question is given, expand 48,972 in terms of powers of 10. आपको ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है उसको powers of 10 में लिखना है expand करके. So all of you have studied the place value chart. Okay, so just expand it here. So what will be the value of this? 4, it is in which position? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 4 is in 10,000 position. So it is 40,000. 4 कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? 10,000 पोजीशन पे है. तो 4 into 10,000 that is 40,000. Then plus 8 कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 8 into 1000 that is 8,000. Plus 9 is in hundreds position. So 900 plus 7 is in tens position. 72 is in ones position. It is true. Okay, so now we can write this 40,000 as 4 into 10,000. लिख सकते हैं 40,000, मतलब जैसे हम 40 को लिखते हैं 4 into 10, 50 को लिखते हैं 5 into 10, वैसे ही 40,000 को क्या लिखेंगे? 4 into 10,000. प्लस 8,000 को क्या लिखेंगे? 8 into 1000. 900 को 9 into 100. 70 को 7 into 10. प्लस 2 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay. So now this is written as 4 into 10 to the power how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are here. 10 to the power 4. In terms of powers of 10 में लिखना है हमको. So 10 to the power 4 plus 8 into 10 to the power 3 zeros, 10 to the power 3 plus 9 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10, यहाँ पे 10 की कोई पावर नहीं है, that means 1 plus 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 0, क्योंकि हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि किसी भी नंबर की पावर अगर 0 होती है सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 1, तो इस 1 को हमने क्या लिखा है 10 टू द पावर 0. ओके, सो in this way you can convert the number 48,972 in terms of the powers of 10. Okay, so next is numbers as a product of powers of prime numbers. जैसे हमने अभी इसको powers of 10 में convert किया, वैसे ही prime numbers की powers में हमको convert करना है. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? The numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. वो number जिसके सिर्फ 2 ही factor होते हैं 1 and itself, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Prime numbers. All of you must be knowing that. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है 8. So 8 को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ 4 into 2. तो 2 तो प्राइम नंबर है, 4 है क्या प्राइम नंबर? नो. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट 4 एज, 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 और ये into का 2 एज इट इज. यस, क्योंकि 4 प्राइम नंबर नहीं था बट हमको प्राइम नंबर्स की पावर में लिखना है, तो हमने क्या किया 4 को फिर से ब्रेक किया 2 into 2 में एंड दिस 2 इज एज इट इज. नाउ हाउ मेनी 2s आर देयर? 1, 2 and 3. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2 की पावर 3. ओके, सो 8 को हम प्राइम नंबर की पावर्स में कैसे लिखेंगे 4 into 2. सो 4 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे 2 into 2, दिस 2 इज एज इट इज, सो 2 to the power 3. टोटल यहाँ पे 3 बार 2 आया है, सो 2 to the power 3. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन कन्वर्ट द नंबर इन द पावर्स ऑफ द प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके, okay, now we are going to solve some examples. So the first example is expand. This type of question you will get expand and you have given number 3 to the power 4. Okay, so you have how you will write this 3 to the power 4. That means how many times this 3 will come? जितनी उसकी पावर है 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 कितनी बार लिखेंगे हम? 3 कितनी बार लिखेंगे? 4 times, क्योंकि 3 की पावर कितनी है 4. So in this way we can expand. Here it is written 10 to the power 8. मतलब 10 कितने times आएगा? 8 times आएगा. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in this expand type of question जितनी भी आपको पावर्स लिखी है उस बेस नंबर को आप उतनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखोगे. So that is called the expand. Okay, second type of question which we get is write the numbers in short form. इसके पहले हमने एक क्वेश्चन लिखा था जिसमें हमको लिखा था expand the number in the power of tens. उसका जस्ट अपोजिट है, हमको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में नंबर दिया है और हमको उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है. Okay, so the number here given is 8 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. So we will write as 8 into 10 to the power 3 means how many times 10 will come? 3 times. 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, plus 3 into 10 to the power means 3 into 10. How much 3 into 10 is? 30. Plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. मैंने आपको बताया था नोट द थिंग, एनीथिंग टू द पावर 0 इज 1. सो इट विल बी 6 into 1. ओके, सो नाउ 8 into 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Okay, plus 30 and plus 6 into 1 is 6. Now this 8 into 1000 is 8000 plus 30 plus 6. Now if we add this, what will we get? 8036. That is 8036. So this is the expanded form and this is the short form. You will get both the types of question. Short form में मिलेगा, expanded form में लिखना है. अपोज दूसरा क्वेश्चन expanded form में मिलेगा, short form में आपको लिखना है. So this type of various question you will get in this chapter. I hope all the concepts of this chapter are clear. Thanks for watching the video.